Today we're going to be looking at how to find the mean, median, mode, and range of our given data set. We're given 1, 7, 3, 7, 4, and 5 as our numbers. Let's begin by finding our mean. Our mean is basically finding our average of all the numbers we have. So a formula we can use to find the mean is taking the sum of numbers divided by the amount of numbers we have. So given this information, let's find our mean. First, we have to add all of our numbers. So 1 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5. So this is our sum of all the numbers. And we're going to divide that by the amount of numbers we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So you divide that by 6. And if we add up all the numbers on our numerator, we get 27. And if we divide that by 6, we get 4.5. So 4.5 is our mean. Now let's find our median. Our median is basically the middle number. So first, I recommend ordering your numbers from least to greatest. So let's order them 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 7. As you can see here, we have 6 numbers. Now normally, if we were trying to find the middle number, if we had an odd number, like if we had a 9 here, all we had to do was find our middle number, which is 5. But we can't really do that here because we have 6 numbers. So what we will do is we'll take our two middlemost numbers, which are 4 and 5, and we're going to average them out. So just like we find the average when finding our mean, we're going to find the average between 4 and 5. So we take 4 and 5 divided by 2, we get 9 over 2, which is equal to 4.5. So 4.5 is also our median. Now let's find our mode. Our mode is the number that appears most often. Now, as you can see from looking at our data set here, we have 2 7s, while all the other numbers only have one of them, which means that 7 is our mode because it appears the most. Now let's find our range. To find our range, we take the highest number and we're going to subtract that by our lowest number. To find our range. So our highest number is 7, and we're going to subtract that by 1. And 7 subtract by 1 is 6. So 6 is our range.